Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will unbox 3 Aliexpress products that I got for very cheap price, that is $1. And let's start with the first one. Take a look at this gadget. And what do you think? What is it? It says voice control smart USB socket converter lamp protection light switch expansion docking station English voice control socket. That means that with this device, through your voice, you can turn on and turn off the light. So I need to try it. I ordered it and I think it's this one, and I got it. Does it have bubbles? No. This is tight. Ooh. What it says: voice converter for USB interface product. Okay, nothing more. And simple device with male type A USB, and on the other side female USB. Just to be clear, this voice control device is just for LED lights, nothing more. So I'm gonna, oh, it's turned on. Let's go this way. Okay, turn off. Off. Turn the light off. Turn on. It's not responding. Turn off. Let me see the instruction. Oh, it says close device or open device. Close the light. Close the light. It's working. It's working. Open the light. Open the light. Close the light. Close the light. Close the light. Close the light. My accent. Open the light. Open the light. Brighten the light. Dim the light. It's my accent. Close the light. Open the light. Open the light. It's about my accent when I say close the light. Oh, it's working. Open the light. Open the light. Open the light. This is funny. Let's open. There are no screws. Oh, I'm there. Oh. And take a look at that. It has a microphone and one integrated chip, 2 transistors, and nothing more. It says that it's produced 2025 at May. Okay, maybe it will work better now. Close the light. Open the light. I think the holes is too small so can pick up my voice. Slow down. Slow down. Brighten the light. Brighten the light. Close device. Open device. Beautiful. It's working better without the case because it's blocking the voice. Close the light. Open the light. Slow down. Slow down. Brighten the light. Brighten the light. This is awesome. For $1 you will get a great toy. Okay, let's open the next one. For many years I have this desoldering pump, but I needed a new one and I don't have the tips, so that's why I ordered this one. It comes with the desoldering pump and tips. It's $1. It says plastic powerful desoldering pump suction thin vacuum soldering iron desolder. And of course I got it. Oh. Not more. So I got 3 replacements with rubber. Let's try it. Oh, it's strong. Ooh. Take a look, mine. There is no power. Very strong. Let's get some fun. Reload. Ooh, I miss it. One more time. Okay, this is powerful, and you will see in action in my next videos. Next product, this one. And I ordered this gadget from Aliexpress for $1. Of course it's cheap, but it's good. It will be a gift for my friend, and I think I ordered the gold one. And what it says is spinner sprocket, fidget spinner metal bike chain, stress relief, flywheel, fingertip, durable, anti-stress. And it says, it says that it's made out of metal. No bubbles. Oh, a gold one. And yes, it's metal. It's a fidget toy. Take a look how shiny it is. Ooh. How to do it, I don't know. It's this way. Oh. Or just to rotate. I don't know how to do it. I never had this kind of gadget. But it's metal, and I think that will last long time. Beautiful. Okay, all the links for today's video review gadgets and modules will be placed in the link below, so you can check them. If you like this kind of videos, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! How to do it? This way? Oh no, I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.